Newman down here in Venice, Louisiana with Journey South Outfitters, and we are going to both go over with you how to successfully and friendly launch a boat.
And maintain a good marriage.
Tip 1 is don't be that guy, meaning when you pull up to the boat launch, pull over to a nice clear area that's not in the way of the boat traffic to get your boat loaded and ready to get in the water.
Tip number 2, make sure your plug's in the boat, which is really important, and then take off your back safety straps.
All right guys, tip 3 is get your boat lined up, ready to launch, have your captain hop in, turn those batteries on, and I'm gonna undo the front winch.
Tip 4, folks, use hand signals with your driver. Tell them to come back, stop the boat before it slides off the trailer, trim your motors down, and make sure they start properly. Another little quick tip on tip 4 is if the boat's not quite in the water enough to come off, just get them to come back a little more.
All right guys, final tip 5. Once your boat's in the water, nicely move it out the way and go maybe dock it so the next person come in and get on the water just as quick as you just did.